In this video, I am going to demonstrate gear shift exercise for shoulder rehabilitation. This exercise will helpful to initiate shoulder range of motion after labral repair or if shoulder is having recent injury and in rotator cuff issues. This exercise will help to improve synovial fluid movement into the shoulder joint. Let's get started with video. For this exercise, patient will be sitting on a chair and then involved side will have a cane, stick or wand with the tip resting on the floor to supporting the weight of arm. Then patient have to move the involved extremity forward, backward, forward and backward. Perform this movement for 10 to 15 times. After that, patient have to perform it side to side, laterally and medially. For the progression, patient have to move the stick in diagonal plane for functional activities. Repeat all exercise in 15 to 20 times repetition. When range of motion increase and pain subside, patient can also improve or increase the amplitude of motion.